to Midday. This Thursday marks World Kidney Day, and here to tell us a little bit about it are three nursing students who are putting on a health fair actually at the North Hills Mall on Thursday. Sandra, Pam, and Madison. It's great to have the three of you here.
Hello. Thanks for having us.
Who's Sandra? And who's Pam?
I'm Pam.
Hi, Pam on the end. And Madison in the middle. Okay, I should have asked that earlier. Anyway, thank you for being here. First of all, how's school going?
Excellent.
Good.
Almost done.
Almost done. You have one more year.
Yeah.
Where are you guys going to go for your jobs after? Do you know yet?
I'm hoping to do either rural or ER trauma.
Awesome.
I'm all over the place. I like Emerge or ICU.
Good.
I'm like Madison, undecided.
Good. Yeah. Any of you going to plan to stay in Kamloops area?
Yeah, definitely.
That's what we like to hear. Woo, good. Okay, so World Kidney Day. This is a big issue. I know that there's a lot of people in our region that are suffering from kidney problems, and we're just sharing a statistic. Maybe you can pass that along.
Yeah, 1,077 people in the Kamloops area are currently suffering from chronic kidney disease that are being followed by a doctor.
Not a lot of people realize how many people have problems with their kidneys in our region, and therefore in the province it must be even much larger than that.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Tell me some things about this. Tell me a little bit about Kidney Health Month.
So, yeah, March is World Kidney Health Month, and the goal is to pretty much raise awareness about the important role our kidneys play to our overall health. And so that's when we make the major push for education.
Okay. Who wants to talk a little bit about what chronic kidney disease is all about?
Yeah, I can. So chronic kidney disease, it's when your kidney function just decreases, and it's actually quite scary because your kidneys can decrease up to 80% before you really notice that you have a kidney problem.
So they can almost be shut down before you even know anything's wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is at risk of developing chronic kidney disease? Is it highly genetic? Is it something that you can just get?
A family history of chronic kidney disease is a risk factor, but also over the age of 50, history of high blood pressure, history of diabetes, and also a history of heart issues can also contribute to it.
So people who have these high risk factors, what should they do?
They should go to their doctor and get a GFR test to see where their kidney function levels are at.
And kidney transplants, that's something we've talked about on Midday before. I know a lot of people are waiting for them. Do you know, so do you have a rough guideline on how many people are waiting for kidney transplants in our province?
In the province, not too sure, but in Kamloops, an area, it's about 50 people at the moment waiting, and that's a high number for a small area.
Let's talk a little bit about what's going on at the health fair on Thursday. People are welcome to come down and learn about kidney health. What will you be doing?
So it's this Thursday, March the 12th. We're hosting a free health fair. It's from 9:30 till 3:30 at the North Hills Mall. We're going to have first year and second year TRU nursing students doing blood pressures and blood glucose testing, as well as a pharmacist coming in and doing cholesterol testing.
Fantastic. So it's an opportunity for people to learn a little bit more.
Yeah.
And is it open to anybody?
Absolutely anybody.
Okay. Let's talk about the fact that there aren't enough organ donors in our province. We've gone over this lots, but it seems to sort of fall on deaf ears in that the majority of the public has not signed up. I know that there's a huge gap there of people that could be signing up.
Yeah, for sure. I think the statistics say that about 85% of people approve of kidney or organ donation in general, but only about 19% are actually registered. So we're just sort of working to close that gap.
That's good. It needs to be brought up. I think in Kamloops we're a little bit above the average, but not by much. That's the last thing I heard. Anything else that you guys would like to discuss? We have about a minute or so. So is there anything else you want to pass along?
We're actually also going to have the organ transplant team at the health fair so that people in the public can come and sign up if that's something that they're interested in.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's a fun event. We're going to have lots of door prizes, you know, from New Leaf Produce, Shoppers Drug Mart, Senior Froggies, and yeah, so it'll be a fun event and it'll have lots of information as well.
Okay, you might have already mentioned it, but whereabouts are you in the mall so people know?
We'll be right by the food court in an empty retail space.
Okay, awesome. Excellent. And what time during the day on Thursday?
9:30 till 3:30.
All right, so everybody's welcome to come on down and learn about kidney health. I think it's great. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Yes, enjoy your upcoming spring and summer break.
Yes, you bet.